Hello, I'm back again. This is a classic by Lynrd Skynrd. Here's Freebird. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I gotta see. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change, and the bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Bye bye, baby, it's the sweet love. Though this feeling I can't change. Please don't take it so badly. Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change, and this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change. Lord, I can't change. Won't you fly, free bird, yeah.
Evidence of Miss Kane's guilt tomorrow morning.